Okay, so this is the baby doll that you get. She's really cute. She makes different little noises. She acts as a spoon in her mouth. There's a little spot in the back you can put a needle in to, well, it's like a little special needle that comes with her to make her cry. It has a little stethoscope so you can hear her heartbeat. She's really cute and unique. I haven't seen a doll like this in a while. She's soft right here, like in her clothing, but she's like hard on the inside. She does take 3 AA batteries to operate, but good doll. She's cute and I like her so far.